We are so happy to be here at the HP booth here with Virginia. Thanks so much for showing us around. Tell us a little bit more about how we are working together, DyeMansion, HP, and bringing products to the market.
Exactly. So I think it's a very complementary play, because what we are trying to do is the printing workflow until the unpacking as consistent, as repeatable as possible, and then getting as much clean parts as we can to later drive the consistency in the post-processing. What we understand is for our customers to have final parts, it's very hard that they are going to be great parts. So we understand there is either a coloring phase or a surface finish phase, and this is where DyeMansion is playing a key role for us. Moving forward in HP, we are really moving into final part manufacturing for applications and optimizing the solution for specific geometries and specific customers. And we are counting with DyeMansion, and we have been collaborating a lot in the past on really optimizing this together to drive volume, because at the end this is about driving volume, real production, real final products to our customers. So thank you for your help.
Yes.
We really appreciate it.
No, thank you. We're very much looking forward to it, pushing towards big volume production, industrial manufacturing, and I think we can achieve that together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.